couldn't change the fact that I had no arms and no legs, and I was so afraid that I was going to be alone for the rest of my life.
There are some times in life where you fall down and you feel like you don't have the strength to get back up. But God says to you, hold on. I'm with you and I'm going to give you the strength to get back up. It's not the end.
I know that it's not how you look, it's who you are. Honestly save a life, and that's why we have been put here by God.
It should have been impossible for me without arms and legs to get back up when I was falling down. But with God, all things are possible.